My name is Jonas Camera. I'm an intern at the Climate Kitchen under Dr. Amy Trubek. And this semester I've been doing some recipe testing and recipe development using local Vermont ingredients. So a lot of like root vegetables and cornmeal. And so right now I'm working with buckwheat. Buckwheat is used pretty heavily in parts of Asia. There's also a lot of buckwheat consumption in Eastern Europe. It just hasn't really been integrated into our American diet, but it's really good for you. It's got a complete protein, which means it comes with all the amino acids necessary. It has protein, has fiber. It's nutritionally very good and also very sustainable. Food systems to me is the entire supply chain from production to consumption and everything in the middle and everything before and after. My area of interest is more in like the culinary field and cooking, and as a culture we focus on a few foods and overproduce them super heavily. So I think this is a really cool way to be part of like a test kitchen and sort of integrate that cooking and sustainability together.